Welcome back, friends. Today we are going to talk about one of the common challenges which most of the people face while working in Excel with date. So we are going to talk about different dates formatting, custom formatting, and how you can work with different dates format to get the correct date on your system. Okay, people face these kind of challenges when they receive data from different country or from different region. Okay, so we will be going to cover this topic in this video. Before I start, I am requesting you to please subscribe my YouTube channel and click on below bell icon to get the notifications. Now let's start. On my screen, you can see that I have different examples. So I'm going to explain these examples in next couple of minutes. But before that, I just want to tell you one thing before I start talking about these examples. So what you need to do, you need to check the format of date which you are using or which your system is set up currently. Okay. So if you see my system, okay, it is set up DDMMYY format. So that is where the problem arises. So what we need to do, so if you are sitting in India and you are working for your clients who are based in United States or United Kingdom, in that case, what you need to do, you need to change the formatting of your system before opening the Excel file from that client so that you will not face challenges while working on your client's Excel file. How you can do that? What you need to do, you need to type control panel here. Okay. So basically you will be opening the control panel, and from there, once you click on this, you will be seeing this option. If you are not seeing this option, what you need to do, you need to click on this category. If you are using large icon, you will be seeing these many options. So what you need to do, just click on category, you will be seeing this. And then what you need to do, you click on this clock and region. Once you do that, here you will be seeing change date, time and number formats. Click on this. Now here on the top, you will be seeing match Windows display language. Currently my system is set up for English India. Okay. And if you are using different language on your system and you want your date should be appear in that same format, what you need to do, you need to click on this, select that language. So for an example, I just need to press page down to jump directly onto United States English. Here I can see this option. Okay, English United States. Once you click on that, your short date format will be changed automatically. Can you see? These are the different formats. And if you want to use any one of this, you can just click on that and you will be able to use that. If I change it to like English United Kingdom, it will be showing me different formats. Okay, like DDMMYYY format. So that is how you can update your system, and then apply the setting, then click OK. And then your system will be set up on that date format. Okay. Now you need to open the Excel file. If you have opened the Excel file, close the Excel file, open the Excel file again, and then your files will be working correctly. If still not, then you need to understand these tricks. Okay. So on my system, you can see I have these dates. So what I want to do, I just want to format these dates as per my need. So how you can do that? You just right click on this, go to format cells. And once you do that, you will be seeing this option. You need to click on this date, and here you will be seeing different date formats like DDMMYYY format. And I have different formats like starting from year and ending at date. And I have this also where I can see my day name along with the date. Okay. And if you don't want to change your control panel setting and you just want to change your date format only for that particular column, what you can do, you change the location from this date formatting option. What you need to do, you need to just click on this English India. If you click on this English Australia, you will be seeing the format respective to that location. Okay. Let me undo this. Okay. English India. And still you have different calendar like Georgian and Georgian English. You can just click on that. You'll be seeing different options and then click OK. And once you do that, you'll be seeing your date. All those dates will be formatted accordingly. Let me click on format cells. Let me shift it back here. And I can see that I'm using year first, then month, then my date. Okay. Let me use this DDMMYY format. Let me click OK. You can see that it has changed here. Okay. Now I'm going to talk about custom formatting. What you can do, just click on format cells again, shift this window here, go to date, select any date. Okay. And then go to custom. Once you click here, you will be seeing this option here like English, US, DDMMYY, and then at the rate option. What you need to do, you just need to change this and click DDMMYY format. And you want to keep full month name, then click M 4 times and then click OK. Once you do that, you can see it has changed automatically. And similarly, you can go back to format cells, shift it here, and you just want to use month and year. You just keep it like this, MMM and YY. So it will be adjusted according to your requirement. Okay. And you click OK. You can see that it has changed the format of the date. Let me right click on this. I'm going to talk about last custom formatting. So once you click on custom formatting, you just give a space and here just type HH and MM and SS. So this is for the time, hours, minutes and seconds, and you click OK. It will start showing you the dates along with the time. Okay, so that is how you can work with this custom date formatting. Now we are going to talk about few challenges which most of the people face. So here are few examples. So in the first two example, I have mentioned the statement here, my month and date got switched. If you see this date and if you read this date, okay, it is showing you 1st December 2023. Am I right? Now, if I look at this, because of my system setting, it is not taking it correctly. It should be 12th January 2023. So in that case, how you can make it correct? What you need to do, you understand that it is currently showing you DD, MM and YYY format. Am I right? So in that case, just use date function. Okay, because it is still showing you the some kind of date. So here, what you are going to do, you are just going to switch your month and day in this function. If you want to learn about date function, you just go to my YouTube channel and just watch this video date function and you will be able to understand that how it works. Okay. So what you need to do, you need to type year, then bracket on and then select this date. It will be extracting the year and then month. So here my month will be my day. Okay. From this date. Let me select this date. Let me put comma again. Now my day will be month. So let me use month formula. Here I just need to use this bracket, close and press OK. And once you do that, so you'll be seeing this number because this column is set up in the number. Let me select this entire column. Let me right click, go to format cells and let me go to date. Here just use this date 14 March 2012 and just click on custom because I don't want the entire date. What I can do, I can just use this DD, MMM, YY option. Let me remove this 1M so that I can show only my short name of month. Let me click OK and now you can see it is showing you 12th January 23. So that is how you can correct your dates if it is not showing you correctly on your system. Let me copy this formula and let me paste this formula here. It is showing me the correct date for this as well. Now let me go back to this another example. Here it is saying that Excel does not recognize my dates. Okay. So if you see it, it is showing you 12/16/2023. If you look at this, the middle value should be a month and it should not be exceeding 12. In that case, you will not be able to use this formula. Now what we can do, we need to extract these numbers separately. So on the top, you can type on a different column which is denoting your month, which is denoting your day and which is denoting your year. Okay. Now my first value is showing me the year, second value is showing me the date and third value is showing me the year. So what I can do, I can just type left function and then I select this. I know that it is showing me only two numbers. So let me put comma and number of characters should be 2 and it will be showing me 12. Similarly, you need to do for this day. Here you need to use mid function and here you need to understand this. If you don't know about mid function, you can just watch my another video about mid function to understand that. Here if you see this text, okay, you need to select this text. Here it is asking for the start number. If you see, it is showing me 12 and then dot. So it means my date is starting from the 4th position. So what I need to do, I need to type 4 and then I need to define the number of characters. My date will always contain 2 number of characters. So I will type 2 here, then let me press OK. And here it is 16. Am I right? So that is how it is going to work. Now if you see this year, okay, you will be typing right formula and then you will be just selecting this cell, then keeping 4 and then pressing enter. And once you do that, I think your data is ready. Now here you use date function, then year, select this year, month, you can select this month, then you can select your day. and then it is showing you your date. What you can do, you can just copy this formula and just keep these formula inside this date formula. So my month is showing in this F4. Let me remove this, put this, click OK. Let me copy this mid function as well and let me put it in the date position, which is G4, and let me remove this, click OK. Here I just use 2023. Let me copy this as well and let me go back to this function. Here I just need to replace H4 to my right formula. Once I click OK, it is working correctly. Now you can drag your formula and paste it in another cell. Then it will start showing you the correct dates. So that is how you can fix these kind of challenges. Now what we are going to do, we are going to talk about how you can extract your date from the time. So if you see, it is showing me the time only. But if I look at my formula bar, it is showing me the date as well as my time. Here I just want my date to be shown in the cell, not the time. In that case, what you can do, you can just right click here and just go back to format cells. And once you do that and go to custom, okay, you just type DDMM YY format and click OK. Once you do that, your dates will be changed to that particular format. Let me undo this. And another method is using left function. What you need to do, you need to type left function, select the text. Here we need to count the number of characters which is being contained in the date section. Okay. If you look at the date is containing 10 characters and press enter. Once you do that, it will be showing on the left side. It means that it is in the text format. In that case, what you need to do, you need to multiply this number with 1. And once you do that, you will be seeing your date. Am I right? So that is how it is going to work. Okay. You just copy this formula, apply it. And then you just copy these formula and you don't want to keep the formulas. Then just copy these cells, right click on this, go to paste spatial, press values. Okay. And once you do that, your dates will be corrected. So that is how you can correct your date. Now here we are going to talk about how you can use text formula to extract some value from your date. Okay. So what you need to do, you need to type text formula, then select the date, and then here if you need day, then you type DDD. If you just want the numbers, you just type DD and then press OK. It will be showing you numbers. If you type triple D, it will be showing you the short form of the day. If you type 4 times D, it will be showing you the entire day name. Okay, so that is how you can extract the day name. If you want the date format to be shown in the text like MMM and YY format, you just type text formula, select the date here in the inverted comma, write M YY and then press enter. Okay, it will be showing you that format. If you want like date and month only, then you write text formula, same method, press comma and then here type DDMMM format. Okay, in the inverted comma you need to write that, you need to press enter and it will be start showing you the day and month. Okay, same you can use for the month name, like you write text formula, select the cell, here you need to write in the inverted comma MM. Okay, if you want to show the numbers. If you want to know the short name of the month, you can just type M. If you want to know the full name of the month, you type 4 times M and then press enter. Once you do that, you will be seeing January. Now if you want to extract the year, okay, you type text function, just select it, okay, and then here you just type YY format and just click OK. If you do that, you will be seeing the year, or else you can use year formula also. So that is how you can fix your date challenges in any Excel. Hope you like this video. Please give a thumbs up. Please do not forget to share this video with your friends and please do not forget to subscribe this channel. Thank you for watching this video. Have a great day. Bye bye.